Hey everybody, it's Dave, Talent Grout and Smile About. My electric hose reel, these things are a lifesaver. I mean, we're out here in the Florida sun and heat and everything like that. By the end of the job, last thing you want to do is start rolling up that hose. I bought an electrical hose reel, and it automatically will take in the hose line back when the job's done. Really helps me out a lot. I really like it. But today the problem is that it doesn't work. Nothing happening with the switch here. So what I did is I crawled in the back of the truck here, and the first thing you do, all right, is check your fuses. This actually has a fuse. So go into here into the battery section. It's kind of tight, and you can see right here I already disconnected it, but there's a fuse. It's a tubular fuse, and it's a 20 amp. Okay, so I pulled it out and it was burnt out. So I'm going to replace it, and we should be on the go and just get it done. So be sure that you check that out. If for some reason that doesn't solve your problem, you got to check your electrical wiring. Sometimes what happens, these guys, when they install it, I know I got a mess today, but like right here, this is a fail point right here. This is where they spliced it together. It's getting a little chewed up, so I'm going to rewire all this out so it actually goes up and around the top of the van and not so much sitting on the floor. That's another thing to check for. Those two things aren't working out for you, then your motor's probably blown, but this is a fairly new system, so something to think about. Talk to you guys later. Bye. So I replaced the fuse on the 20 amp circuit that I showed you, and now it's gonna good as new. Check your fuses.